think. Slow down. I thought I heard it for a second there. Let's see if we get a train. Nope.
Train?
I was hoping. No train. As mentioned, we said we were going to go to Splash Mountain. We have a fast pass for Splash Mountain, but first, we're going to do a little shopping at Pooh Corner. Hey, good morning. Is it afternoon yet? Good afternoon. Was that a bell? Nope. Darn it. Let's go to Pooh Corner and do a little shopping.
I wonder if.
For Winnie the Pooh stuff.
I didn't know how.
I'm kind of tempted to get my boss, because I got her the Eeyore mug last year.
Yeah.
I mean, check out the Pooh Bear one, because he has like kind of keep a theme. This is like her favorite Winnie the Pooh.
Yeah.
And it was her birthday on the 5th. And you know, I want to stay on good terms with my boss.
Well, let's see. They put little holes in the boxes now, so you can see what's inside. That's obviously a key lime pie truffle.
That's very interesting.
That is interesting. I don't think I've ever heard of such a thing.
It's cute to look at.
Waffle cone caramel, strawberry truffle, and we didn't call that one out. Peanut butter banana. What's a coconut patty? Wow, that's one right there, I guess. I don't think I would enjoy that. You can get single serving also. Toffee covered pretzels. Stop it.
Toffee covered pretzels. Hello.
That sounds pretty deadly, I'm not gonna lie.
Wow. Look at that.
So.
I'm just trying to imagine what that might taste like.
I would think, I think it's like salted caramel, right?
It's a combination of toffee and
Well, I think, you know, salt
Pretzel?
and sweet.
yeah, that's
But with the crunch of pretzel.
definitely. Oh, look, they got some new doggy treats. Chew toys. Oh no, these aren't chew toys. These are real food.
actually, yeah.
I was kidding.
But, oh, were you?
They look
Then
like
again,
chew
I
toys
feel
to
like
me.
how long have these been out?
Well, yeah, Rice Krispie treats last forever.
Expiration date on it? That's 5, 6. Remember that one time Ian and I tried that disgusting flavor?
That's like the only new one here, really.
I really want this one.
Oh, that's a classic.
Oh
the
my
honey,
gosh,
honey
with a little bumblebee on it. Like, I can't. This is obviously the best. They're the best of the best. The bestest.
Ian. Yes. Look at. You can get a porg. Or you can get Chewy and his new friend porgs.
They really bonded, didn't they?
They really did. You can also get an edible Millennium Falcon.
Peppermints.
They're mints? Oh, it's a peppermint Millennium
tin,
Falcon.
Cinnamon, orange.
Orange?
So it's orange mints.
Does BB-8 taste like orange?
I mean, he's the color orange, so.
We know that Chewy tastes like blue raspberry.
Yeah, BB-8 tastes like
There you
orange.
see, he's sour orange.
Consistency.
Yeah. And Kylo Ren tastes like cinnamon
Molly's.
hot tamales. Yeah.
Yeah.
That's what I meant.
That goes to the title. Hashtag character integrity.
Character integrity. They're doing it. Way to go, Disney.
I mean, I was being more joking about it, but
No. That's a win. What do you...
These lollipops. Like my childhood lollipops in a goofy bag.
Those are your... No, that's not the... Is that the
No,
one?
I like these.
Then we got a little prep happening. Samantha's dipping the chocolate. And Steph is putting that orange stuff on there, whatever that is. First the white stuff, then the caramel, and then the orange stuff. Right? Did I get that right? She's got to let the caramel sit for a minute. I guess. Oh no, she went straight for the orange stuff. So those are different kinds then. I get it. She's making sure all the edges are covered with orange stuff. What is that stuff?
What?
The orange stuff. The sugar, orange sugar. Notice how, yeah, like she made sure that it didn't. Oh, I get caramel first, then the white stuff, then the orange stuff. Does that taste like BB-8? Does it taste like BB-8?
No, it tastes like tea.
Should. It's the BB-8 tail. But yeah, watch how like loving she is in terms of making sure that it's completely covered in the orange stuff, the BB-8 sauce. It's getting emotional over here. All right. Just got a whole tray to do, guys. Yeah, this just in. You got a little beast here, a little belle. Oh, she smells like a rose. What does Beast smell like?
It's like all the Beauty and the Beast ones smell like
It does smell right here.
And then the Stitch ones smell like
Pineapple. Wait. Not really.
Oh.
They tried. What does doors smell like? Apple
Yeah,
blossoms?
the 7 Dwarfs ones are all apple blossoms because, you know, Snow White.
Yeah.
Who is this? This is Cheshire Cat.
It's a tea cookie.
Oh, okay. I don't know what tea cookies should smell like.
I don't know either.
Maybe some
Tea doesn't really have a strong smell.
Well, but no, tea cookies.
Well, okay. I thought it was. Ooh, these are fun.
Point being, maybe someone who lives in a country that actually does like
Yeah.
tea can tell us what tea cookies smell like.
I like the pie eye Mickey. They want you to think. Look, keychains.
They're obnoxiously big.
Where do you?
I feel like that's really something you put on a backpack.
I was gonna say backpack.
People
Like I would
don't
rock
carry
that as a
keys like they
kid.
used to,
Yeah.
I guess.
I think that really realistically, you put this on a backpack.
The goofy
Yeah.
one is so cute.
I like the Mickey one. I like the little bodies on the big heads.
We have what do we have? The slap wrist ones.
Oh yeah,
Now let's get 2 of them.
the perma hugs.
Thank you.
I haven't broken out the perma hugs in a long time because he stopped perma hugging. It was kind of a sometimes hug.
It was a
He just wasn't feeling it anymore,
Mickey.
you know?
Yeah, the love is gone. What is that, like a cappuccino mug?
but it's glass.
What do you do with that?
I don't know, but it's cute. Cause
Why are they tiny?
I just don't like how oh they. Yours a better grab.
This is a great looking mug, by the way. These are $14, same as a full size mug.
But it's good kid size.
Like for kids who drink coffee,
Or just they want to have a mug so you feel like
which by the way is a thing.
That's true. But, or like a cup of like apple cider, hot apple cider or milk or something.
Would you like to put apple cider for your kid in one of these mugs, fresh baked? Look at how happy Pooh is. Did he just get some honey for his birthday? Pig that probably gave it to him. I really like these. I like the art style.
So what do you think I should do? Do you think I should do that? But that's breakable.
I think you should do whatever. Oh, it's Kangaroo and Roo. Cute. I love these. Wow, what a great way to end our Pooh Corner adventure than to see the boss himself, Winnie the Pooh.
Where? Hi, Pooh.
Silly bear.
Well, he's rubbing his tummy. He's hungry. Or he's
Right here. Mulan. Thank you. There's one more scan upstairs.
Thank you. All right, Splash Mountain time, guys. And we've noticed a trend of late that the Fast Pass queues are growing. More people are taking advantage of the Fast Pass than before. So let's see how this, because it used to be when you get a Fast Pass on this one before Max Pass, if you got a Fast Pass. Thank you very much. Hi guys. If you got a Fast Pass for Splash, this queue would take you all the way pretty much to the front. Last time we were here though, it stopped right about here. So let's see how we're doing. So far, so good. There it is. Deeper than it used to be, but it's not too bad. Are there people yelling at us?
Not us.
Oh. We're on Splash Mountain again.
For safety, just stay seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the log and be sure to wash your hands. Have a zippity-doo-dah ride.
Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del barco y cuide a los pequeñitos.
Got Gryffindor, eh? Oh, pretty.
Quite disturbing. What was that?
Wow,
You saw that, right?
that was a lot of water.
Going straight for my face.
Yeah, I got a little bit of the back grab.
I'm sorry. The splash
Well, it's the water ride, sir.
What you doing out there? You're making a fool out of yourself. That's what you're doing.
got lots more videos for you to see, so grab a churro and check out some of our other videos and have your mind blown by how much fun we're having. We truly are the best of Disney Bake Fresh Daily. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you next time. Fresh Baked!